Hey folks, Mark Deering here from Remax. You are just listing with us, so thank you, by the way. We're excited to get the ball rolling for you, and we're about to put it live and get all that traffic through your house. We're going to ask you a favor. Give us, email back to us and let us know what your favorite parts of the house when you bought it were. Let's say that you loved that it was close to shopping. Let's say that you loved that there was a dog park close. Whatever that is, you loved the backyard, the pool, that it had a new roof, things like that. Just help us come up with the 5 or so, maybe 10 things that you love about the house. We're going to take those comments and then comments that we're going to come up with, combine them to market your home and put them in the description. So looking for your help on this. Appreciate it. Thank you.